What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you're a return subscriber, I also welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clone a GC Hype Manager script. A GC Hype Manager script is an investment website, so I'm going to be showing you how you can clone and attach your own backend to it on same URL without you creating a subdomain and all that. So this video is for educational purpose only, so I'm just going to be teaching you how you can be able to manipulate it and use it on your project. So now in this video, I'm going to be using this website as an example. So I'm not saying you should just go and be cloning people's websites and be using it on your own gain or something like that. Like I say, this is for educational purpose only. So I'm going to be using this particular website as an example on this video. So we are going to be cloning this website and adding our own backend to it. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can do it. So now once you have navigate to the website that you want to clone, so this is the step one. Navigate to the website that you want to clone, then you copy the link. So let me just copy the link. So this is the URL of the website. You copy it. So now let me just give okay. So you copy it. So once you copy it, you need to download HTTP tracker. So just download HTTP or HT tracker. So need to download this on your system. So just search for HT tracker and you are going to be directed to a page. So this is the software that we are going to be using. So I have dropped a lot of video about this software on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know more about the software, kindly check the link in the description or the link above this video right now. So once you tap in HT tracker on your browser, then click on this first page, this first link. So you click on it, then you'll be redirected to the page where you just need to download the software on your system. This works for Mac user also. So you can see, go to the download section. All right, so this is the place where you just need to download your file. So you just need to select your device type and just click on the download button, and it's going to be downloaded to your PC or your computer. So just once it's done downloading, you extract. If it is the zip file that you download, you extract it and install it. But if it's the main file that you download, just install it on your PC, then everything is good to go. So now we have copied our link, right? So we have copied our link. So now once we have installed this software successful, we can just launch it. So now this is how it's going to look like. So now once we click on like to launch the software, this is how it's going to look like. Then we click on next. Then this project name, I'm just going to be using YouTube. So YouTube as the project name. You can just add any project name that you want, but I'm just using YouTube because I'm doing a tutorial for this. So you can also add a project category if you want to. So but I'm not going to be doing that. And again, you can see the basic part. So this is where you want to store the file once it's done cloning. So place you will just locate and you are going to be getting this file and all that. So I'm just going to be leaving it like this because this is my part. Just locate your own part and you save it. Then we click on next. So in this place, we just need to input our web address. You can see the web address, which is the link of the site that you want to clone. So I inputted my, then we just leave this download web site. So just leave it like this. Then we click on next. So now once we click on next, we also click on finish. Then we have to give it some time for this cloning process to complete. So it's just going to take a few minutes depending on how large the the website is. So if the website is very big and has multiple pages, it's going to take longer than you expected. So just give it some time and everything will be cloned. So let's give it some minutes. All right, so our web page is done cloning, so just ignore this. Then let's view the, you can see view mirrored website. So we click on view and you can see that is already live. So just mind that this is on our local PC. So this is on our PC, so we are loading this direct from our PC. It's not online yet. So now once we have done cloning it, the next step we need to do, we need to edit this page, and you can just change your name and all that. So let's get started. So let me just quickly open my VS Code, or you can just use any code editor of your choice. So but I'm going to be using VS Code for this. And let me open a new window. Okay, let me close this one. All right, so I'm going to be locating this file. So this file now, so I'm going to be locating it, then we can just do some necessary editing on it. So we come to the file, then we come to open folder. So let's select the folder, then let me just quickly locate where my folder is. All right, so I think we use YouTube. All right, so this is the project name, and this is the file here. So if we double tap, we are going to be seeing the main folder. So now we just need to select the folder, which is the website's name. That is the thing that you need to upload. Then we select. All right, so in this place now, you are going to be seeing the editing or all the files that are available, right? So mind you that this is a code coder script that we are cloning, so we just need to do all the necessary editings. So now the first one is this about us. I think this page is not working. We can just delete it. We delete, yeah. Then the second one, same thing, we delete it also. So we need to just look for this name one after the other and replace it with their actual file name, so that everything is going to work and match the file name also. So now this one is index 2 and this index 1. So let's just remove this index 2. All right, so we are going to be going for index on this index, then the rest of the page. So now once we come to this index, we just need to scroll down, or we can just easily search for the header, or we can just say home, something like that. So we just need to go for this menu now, this navigation menu. So this is our main goal and process. So now we need to edit all these files to match this name. You can see this one now should have been service 1, then the second one we need to check it also. So this is how we are going to be replacing the name, so that everything is going to match. So let's copy this, which is service 1, then we copy index. The service 1 is index 9b39, which is index 9b39. So we just need to rename this. Want to rename all, we paste, then dot t, yeah, tpl, yeah, this is the file name. So it's not html, just tpl. Then we click on enter, so it's going to be saved just like this. Then we also do same thing on the rest. So this second one is service, we copy it, index ccbb. So we just need to search, okay, this is it. So we rename it also, all paste, then dot tpl, So this is how you are going to be repeating all the process. Then after, if you are doing it, so let's first undo this first part finish. So let me just search for this one plan, which is so this one we need to remove this. All right, remove this one also. So this is the about page. So about page, now we change it to about. So we copy the page name, which is E47E. So we look for it, E47E. So this is it here now. We rename it also. Alright, I didn't have dots. Alright. So what I'm trying to do here now, I'm trying to edit this page as fast as possible. So I just want to edit the page name so that it can be able to correspond to the link. So if you look at this page, you are going to be seeing index and some letters and alphabet. So just make sure that you change all those pages, identify the pages, and you change it to their name, change the file to its name, so that whenever you click on the link, it's going to be directed to that page. So just give me some time. Let me just quickly change it and run everything up. Okay guys, so if you look at this page, this left hand side, you are going to see that I have arranged the file name. So these are the file names. So I've arranged everything, and we need to create a folder, but first let's edit everything first. So before we are going to be doing that, so you can see that this link still has the the page name that we just changed, that's the index slash name and all that. So we need to remove all this. So we need to remove all this stuff. So we need to remove all of them. Just start from this side and remove it. So this is how you are going to be doing it. So this works so that whenever someone click on the link, let it just redirect them to the page instead of showing them 404 error not found, something like that. So we just need to remove all this page. So this applies on all pages. Make sure that you edit all this page, and make sure that you remove all this index, because this is how it's going to be if you clone your own or cloning other website too, especially once is Hype. This is how it's going to be. So make sure that you do it. Just use, okay, let's use home. Oh, let me just remove this. Okay, let's use home. So home is required here. So this is how the link used to be. Okay, then we type in home. So this is the home URL. Then remove this. So this is how you're just going to be doing it. Then we go to the next step. Just know that you are editing this code of the site that we just cloned. So this is what we are doing. I'm done editing these scripts. I just pause the video so that I can be able to speed up the process. and I don't want to make this video to be too long, so let me just quickly explain what I just did. So you have already know all the steps. So now you can see that I added a file named header10 and footer10. So the reason why I did this is because of this header. You can see that I included this header on this file, which is the let me just say, okay, I included this all in all the files. So if you look at this home page, so this is the home page file, then you are going to be seeing this header also. So the reason why I did it is because I edited only this home page header, then I copy all the code, paste it in this new file that I created, then now include these files to all the pages so that the header can be able to, to be triggered and be displayed in all the pages, instead of editing the header on the pages one after the other. That is going to take a whole lot of time. So this means that whenever you want to edit your header, or you just want to change something, link on the header, or to add a link, you just need to come to this header 10. This header 10, this is just the name that I give it, so you can just give it any name of your choice. So you can just come to this header, change anything that you want to change, and it's going to be displayed in all the pages that you included the header to. So this is the easiest and simple way for you to just include your header. So if you look at the frequently asked question, I did that to the frequently asked question, and also to the footer. Also I did something to the footer. So I copied the footer and pasted it on the single file, then included it in all the folders, so that it's going to be easy to edit and easy to manage. So now once that you are done editing is, I'm just going to click on save all. So now we save all. I've saved all this file. So now the next step, I'll just go to the file. So this is the file here. You can see all our file and the folders, everything is here. So now we need to add a folder. I don't know if you are familiar with GC scripts. You already know some the scripts and templates, how everything work. So we need a template file, which is a script where we are going to move all this file there. So we are not talking about the folder, we are talking about the file. So we need tmpl, yeah, not tmpl. So then we move all these scripts. Let me just select the one that we are going to move, not all, because some of these folder here need to be on a custom page. So this supports on this row, this home, this header, this one, and this one. Yeah, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 need to be on this folder. So just move it. I just drag and drop it to this folder. I just copy it, let me cut it, then I paste it here. Alright, so now we need another folder here, which we are going to be naming custom. So now then we go back, and this remaining folder, we move it to that custom folder. Just select all the folders, the files, sorry. So these are the file. Now we need to move to that custom. Let me just select it again. So these are the file. I cut it, then we go to this page, go to custom, then we paste it. Alright, so we have pasted it. So now just know that this is the scripts that we clone and edit, right? So now this page is not yet all this file is not yet complete, so it needs the dashboard and all that. But I have a, like I said, I'm going to be attaching a backend to it, which is same script and just different templates, but it's still GC manager scripts. So now let's go ahead and upload our scripts, which is our GC script, the admin dashboard, the main script, and then we upload this design, this templates on it. So first we need to go to our cPanel. Let me just quickly log into my cPanel. Right, so I've logged into my cPanel. This is the cPanel that I'm going to be using, and this is the domain name. And so for us to be able to install our scripts, so we just need to first install the GC manager, Hype manager. So I'm just going to be uploading it now. So let me just quickly upload it. And if you need this script, kindly click the link in the description for you to get yours. So I'm just going to be uploading it. Then let me just select the file. Then let me locate file. I think the file is here. Yeah. File. Okay, so this is the file here now. So this Hype manager. So just need to wait for this upload to complete, then we install it. So why is it is installing? Let us just go and create our database. Alright, so let's create our database. Come to the this database section. Come to manage my database, or you can just use database wizard. I normally use this option. Right, so then we input our database name. So I'm going to be using YouTube database name. Then click on create. Then the database, we need to create a database user also. So I'm also going to be using YouTube just to identify this particular database. So I'm going to be using YouTube also. Then the password, click on password generator, copy the password. Then check this box. I have copied this password in a safe place. Then use password. Then we create user. Alright, now so now let's add the user to the database. Go back. So now we need to add the user to the database. So this is the add. Come to the section add user to database. Now I select the database and I select the user. I click on add. So you change the permission to all privileges or all privileges. Then click on make changes. So now I'm going to be copying my database user and my database and the user. So now let's check on our scripts. It is done uploading. So we go back. Alright, so now let's refresh this page. So we need to extract it. Then we extract. Right, and we need to change this domain PHP to match the PHP version of the script, which is 7.4. So we need to come to this multiple PHP. Then we change our PHP 7.4. So this is my domain name. Right. Okay, it's on 7.4 already. So let's refresh this. Right, now if you look at this page, you are going to be seeing that we need to go to the installation page. So we click on /install. Install.php. Alright, so now we input our database name and the user, and we input the database password. You just Control V, and this is my password. So you input your support email. You can change this later on. So I'm just going to be using any stuff. So I'm just going to use any stuff here. Then my password, let me just use, okay, that's my password. I click on install. So our script is installed successful. Let me just save this. Then let's visit the website. All right. So now this is how it's going to look like without templates. So this is the main script, right? So but we need to add some beautification now just to make it to look very nice and all that. So that's the reason we need that template. So now let me upload the template that we edited. Bear it in mind that this is the template here. And see, this is the template. So and this is the file of the one that we want to use. I already have my back end, so I will upload my back end first before uploading this front end. So now let me upload the back end that I want to use, like which is the user interface. So that's the back end. So let me upload it. Then I click on select file, come to download. So this is where I have it. Just need to give it some time for it to load. Alright, so the upload is complete. Then we go back. Then we extract the file. So let me extract the file. This is the file, I extract it. Alright. So if we look at this page now, let me come to this page and fresh. So we are going to be seeing a new design here, right? So we are going to be seeing a new design, but I need to replace every stuff. I need to replace every design here, but just the front end design to match the one that we clone. So this is the design that we are going to be seeing. So now let me go back. So this is the design that we are seeing right now. Let me just go back and upload my main script, the one that we cloned earlier. So this is the main script. So now I will just come to this page, just select it. The reason why I'm doing this selection like this because I want this particular stuff to override some stuff there. So I'm just going to be compressing this. Just come to option and send to, then compress. Right. Then we come to this template also. Then we compress everything here. Compress. Right. I think we are done. So now let's go and upload this. So first let's upload the folder, the first folder that we compress, so that you can be able to pause the CSS and all that. So click on upload, then select file, then let me locate where I store it. Then we scroll down to this it's and this is the file folders, all these folders here. So this is it. Alright. Okay, so now we go back, then we extract it. So we are going to be seeing the magic now. Just wait. So we extract it. Alright. Then we go to this page, this TP so this is the template section. So this is where we are going to be uploading the home page and all that. So let me just upload the home page folder, which is the home page file and all that. So this is the templates. Double tap. So this is the one that we press. Select it and open. Right. Then we go back. So let's search for the folder. So this is it. Then we we extract it here. Alright, so this is what we have. So now we need to refresh this page and let's see the magic. So once we refresh this page now, you are going to see that this is the design and everything on the one that we cloned previously. So if we go to all these pages and everything will be working. Let's go to the about us section. So you can see the about us section. So let's go to this forest section. So you can see the forest section. So let's go to this investment plan. Yeah, I think we just need to do some adjustment here, but that is not an issue. So for this investment plan, the reason why it's not showing, let's go back to our file. I think this is our file here. So let's go back to our file. These are the backend that I have already. So I think if you're familiar with GC, you already know what I mean. So let's come to this plan that is not showing. So let me just do some necessary thing there. Right, so I need to remove this. I think this is the thing that is confusing it. Um this Google Translator. So let me just remove this, then save. So I just want to show you that all page are working. So let's go back to the plan, investments plan again. So you can see that the investment plan is now displaying. So even though they frequently ask question, everything is working. So sorry, my network is bad this time around. So this is the frequently asked question page. So this is it. Then the support page also. So I'm going to be opening all this page one by one for you to see. So this is the support page. And now this create accounts, we click on it, is going to be directed to the login, the create accounts page, then go to accounts page. Yeah, everything is working perfectly. Alright, so this is the page here. Okay, so you can see this is the page. So this is how you can easily clone a GC Hype Manager template and attach your own backend to it. Remember what we did? We cloned the websites. After cloning the websites, we edit it on our VS Code. So by editing it, we also change the header, the footer, and adding the name. You can see these setting names now. This setting name. Let me just show you what it does here. So if we come to this frequently asked question, right? So you are going to be seeing that it automatically display the company, like the website name, instead of the one that we clone. So this will help you to ease the stress on changing the name one after the other. I don't know if you get. So let me just, I think it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. All right, so you can see this is it like it displays the website name automatically. Look at it here now. Hope you can see it. So this is how you can clone the GC Hype Manager, attach your backend, and start using it. So please, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, so that whenever I release a new video like this, you can be able to get notification. So see you in my next video, guys, and thanks for watching.